Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to explain you the movement of an earth. Okay, first of all, as I told you that earth moves on its axis. So, this is a picture of an earth. This is earth, and the lines, these two lines, are you seeing? This is axis. What is this? Axis. So जब भी when earth moves, it moves on its axis. Okay, now let's see. As I told you that there are two types of movements. One is rotation and another one is revolution. Okay, so let's see what is rotation or how earth moves on its axis. Okay, now this is the axis, or this is a picture of an earth, and here it is, what is this? Sun. It, as earth moves around the sun in its orbit. What is this? Orbit. Okay, so जो अर्थ है ये किस में मूव करती है? इट मूव्स ऑन इट्स ऑर्बिट. सो रोटेशन में कैसे मूव करती है वो? अपने एक्सिस पे, लाइक दिस. ओके, मीन्स अपने प्लेस पे वो एक राउंड लेके फिर वो ऑर्बिट पे राउंड होती है. अपने प्लेस पे एक बार पूरा राउंड लेती है, फिर उसके बाद ऐसे 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 करके it takes the whole movement like this. Then again it starts and it moves in its orbit. So this is rotation. What is this? This is rotation. Now let's see what is revolution, or how an earth moves on its revolution. Okay, now what is this? This is sun, and earth moves in its orbit around the sun. So it moves just like this only. Means it moves like normal rotation, like this. Okay, it moves like in its orbit only, like this. So this is revolution and this is rotation. Again I am telling students, this is the axis and this is earth. Then sun, this is called an orbit, and earth rotates on its axis just like this. As you can see, first of all it rotates on its own place, then in an orbit, and in revolution it moves just like it takes a simple round. Okay, so this is revolution. Okay, students, one more thing. How much time earth takes to complete its one rotation? It takes 24 hours. Okay, means whole one day. And in revolution, how much time it takes to complete its this one revolution? It takes total 1 revolution is equals to 365 1/4 day, means 1 year. Okay, so in revolution it takes 365 days, which is equals to 1 year, and in rotation it takes 24 hours. Okay, one rotation 24 hours. Now students, let's see the phases of moon. Now from starting, the moon is in crescent shape. In which shape it is? It is in crescent shape. Okay. In this it looks very small. Then after that it starts beginning and the size of a moon is bigger from the crescent moon, and after some time it becomes half. This is half. We see half moon. Okay, and after that half moon, then again it starts increasing, and as the size increases of the moon, one day comes when there is a full moon, when we see a full moon, and after that again the size of the moon starts decreasing. Okay, now like this, see, first the size of a moon is like this, then it starts like this, then like this, then half moon, then more than half, like this, then like this, and after that a full moon. Okay, and after this it's again starts decreasing its size. Now like this, then like this, then half moon, then again like this, and the day comes when there is no moon. Okay, one, this is full moon, and this is crescent moon. What is this? This is crescent moon, and this is half moon. This is half moon. Okay, now see, this is half moon, then again the size decreases and it becomes less than half, then it comes to its initial position at crescent moon, and after the crescent a day comes when there is no moon, and this whole procedure from here to here, this whole procedure takes total 4 weeks. How much time it takes? It takes 4 weeks from a new moon to no moon. Okay, how much time? It takes total 4 weeks. Now students, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I hope there is no scope for any confusion.